To fix the Electrolux Dishwasher error code B1 2025, start by understanding what this code signifies. The B1 error code typically indicates a problem with the dishwasher's water temperature sensor or the electronic control board. Begin by checking the water temperature sensor for any blockages or damage. Ensure that the sensor is clean and free from any debris. If the sensor is damaged, you may need to replace it. Next, check the wiring connections between the sensor and the electronic control board. Verify that all connections are secure and not damaged. If you find any loose or damaged wires, repair or replace them as needed. If the issue persists, the problem may lie with the electronic control board itself. In this case, you may need to reset the board or replace it if it is faulty. To reset the board, unplug the dishwasher from the power outlet and wait for a few minutes before plugging it back in. Additionally, check the dishwasher's user manual or manufacturer's website for specific instructions on how to reset the control board for your particular model. It is also a good idea to run a diagnostic test on the dishwasher to identify any other potential issues. This can be done by selecting the diagnostic test option on the dishwasher's control panel, if available. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it may be necessary to consult a professional appliance repair technician to diagnose and fix the problem. Remember to always follow safety precautions when working with electrical appliances, and never attempt to repair a dishwasher while it is still plugged into a power outlet. By following these steps and troubleshooting the possible causes of the error code B1 2025, you should be able to identify and fix the issue with your Electrolux dishwasher.